Now we will understand the impact of currency appreciation and currency depreciation on tourism. Now we will understand the impact of currency appreciation on tourism. When the value of currency of a country appreciates, then it makes a country more expensive for foreign tourists. What it means? Suppose at present we are living in India. So at present 83 Indian rupee approximately are equal to 1 US dollar. So if a foreigner at present decides to visit India, suppose he has the budget of 1000 US dollars and he is visiting he is visiting India, a US citizen is visiting India, what he will get in return of 1 US thousand at present? He will get 83,000 Indian rupee if he comes to India, and he will spend 83,000 on hotel charges, transportation, food, buying goods, etc. Suppose the value of Indian currency appreciates. What it means? Appreciates. Appreciates means less amount of domestic currency will have to be paid to purchase another currency. Suppose the value of Indian currency has appreciated and now 80 rupee are equal to 1 US dollar. The value of Indian currency has appreciated. Now less amount of domestic currency is equal to the same unit of another currency. Here in this example we have assumed that the value of Indian currency has appreciated. Now the same US citizen, he is now deciding to visit India and he is having the same budget of 1000 US dollars. What he will get after currency appreciation of Indian currency? Indian currency has appreciated, the budget is same 80 $1000, and now if a US citizen wants to visit India after the appreciation of the currency of India, he will get only 80,000 Indian rupee. That is, in return of the same amount of US dollars, US citizen will have less amount in Indian currency when converted into Indian currency. So, if there is currency appreciation in any country, it reduces inbound tourism. Because the US citizen may think that they may have other options, better options than India. That is, foreigners may think that they have other options where the value of their currency is more. They can visit other countries for travel purpose or for holiday purpose. Now the other impact on tourism is it increases outbound tourism. What it means? We have firstly understood that foreigners are visiting India. Now there are also persons who want to visit from India to other countries. They also want to visit. They also want to have fun, to enjoy life. So earlier, when the value of 83 Indian rupee was equal to 1 US dollar, and we take same example that if the Indian was having 83,000 rupee and he was getting 1000 US dollars. Suppose the same now the Indian wants to visit US. Now with the budget of 83,000 Indian rupee, he was getting 1000 US dollars for spending in USA. Now the value of Indian currency has appreciated. What happens? Now with the same budget, 83,000 Indian rupee, he will be getting more than 1000 US dollars. that is in excess of $1,000 he will be getting, or he will have to pay out only 80,000 Indian rupee to get 1,000 US dollars after the appreciation of Indian currency. If he decides to spend same amount 83,000, he will get more than 1,000 US dollars. But if he decides to spend only 1,000 US dollars, he will have to pay less in domestic currency. So currency appreciation reduces inbound tourism and it also increases outbound tourism. It has two effects on tourism. Now we come to the impact of currency depreciation on tourism. Currency depreciation makes a country less expensive for foreign tourists. We understand the same with the help of example. Suppose at present 1 US dollar is equal to 83 Indian rupee. Now suppose the value of Indian currency depreciates. What it means that after depreciation, if a foreigner visits India, he will get 85. Earlier, if a foreigner visited India, he was getting only 83 rupee in return of 1 US dollar. But as the domestic currency of India, that is the Indian rupee, has depreciated, the same US citizen will now get more currency of Indian rupee for the same amount of US dollars. So it increases inbound tourism as the US or the foreigners will now be in a position to get the more amount of the depreciated currency. It will improve the tourism in that country where the value of currency has depreciated. If the value of Indian currency has depreciated, the tourism will increase, inbound tourism will increase. It also affects the outbound tourism. It reduces outbound tourism. What it means, when the foreigners are visiting a country, the people from our country also would like to make visits to other countries for travel for fun or other purpose. So earlier, when there was no appreciation or depreciation, the 1 US dollar was equal to 83 Indian rupee. But now, as the value of domestic currency has depreciated, now 1 US dollar is equal to 85 Indian rupee. It means that after currency depreciation, the Indian will have to pay more to get the same amount of other currency. Earlier, if a citizen of India wanted to purchase 100 US dollars, he used to pay 8,300 Indian rupee. But now to get same 100 US dollars, they will have to pay out more, 8,500 Indian rupee. So it reduces outbound tourism because the people may either decide not to go abroad because they may not have the budget which may be necessary to meet the expenses in the case of depreciation of their domestic currency, because the foreign currency has appreciated, value of foreign currency has appreciated and the value of domestic currency has depreciated. So currency depreciation increases inbound tourism and it reduces outbound tourism. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.